The HP G4 docking station's USB ports often fail due to three main reasons. First, physical port damage or obstruction can prevent proper connections. Second, outdated or corrupted drivers may cause ports to not function. Third, insufficient power delivery can disable USB ports to prevent overload. Physical issues include bent pins or debris in the ports. HP USB-C power delivery instability can also overload circuits, causing failures. For drivers, outdated software can lead to conflicts. Corrupted drivers prevent proper enumeration of connected devices. Power delivery problems occur when the dock draws too much power, causing USB ports to shut down to protect the system. Addressing these issues is key to restoring functionality. Begin by inspecting all USB ports on the dock for bent pins, debris, or any visible damage. Use a can of compressed air to clean out dust from the ports. Ensure your laptop's USB-C connector aligns correctly with the dock. Misalignment can disrupt power delivery. Test different USB cables and devices to rule out cable or peripheral issues. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a common cause of USB issues with the HP G4 docking station. First, open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and selecting it. Then expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section to see the USB hubs and controllers. Right-click on each USB controller and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to let Windows find and install updates. If updating doesn't work, right-click each USB controller and select Uninstall Device. Restart your computer, and Windows will automatically reinstall the drivers. Alternatively, visit the HP website for your specific laptop model to download the latest drivers. You can also use the HP Support Assistant software to automatically check for and install updates. Ensure the docking station is receiving adequate power. Use the original HP charger or a certified compatible charger. A low laptop battery can also cause the dock to underperform. The dock draws up to 90 watts from the laptop, so verify power LED. Check BIOS settings for USB power management options and ensure they are enabled. To isolate the problem, first test your USB devices directly on your laptop's built-in ports. Connect the device to a USB-A or USB-C port on the laptop itself. If the USB devices function properly on the laptop ports, the problem likely lies with the docking station itself, not the laptop. Next, try connecting the USB device to a different port on the docking station. The dock has multiple USB 3.0 and USB-C ports that you can test. Finally, disconnect all other peripherals connected to the docking station, such as monitors, Ethernet cables, or audio devices. This can help determine if there's a power or resource conflict causing the USB ports to fail. For advanced fixes, check for firmware updates for your HP G4 docking station on the HP support website. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues. The HP Support Assistant can help you download and install the latest firmware updates. Also, ensure your laptop's BIOS is up to date, as this can affect USB functionality and power delivery to the dock. Recent HP firmware updates, such as version 2.3.1 released in late 2025, address USB-C power delivery instability. The HP EliteBook G4 docking station is an older model from 2018-2020, and USB technology has significantly evolved since then. These legacy docks often face brand-specific compatibility issues and hardware aging, leading to the USB problems we've discussed. USB standards have progressed from the original Type-A and Type-B connectors to the versatile Type-C, which supports USB 4 and higher data speeds. Older docks like the G4 use outdated protocols that don't handle modern devices as efficiently. Consider upgrading to newer docking stations with Thunderbolt 4 technology. These universal docks offer improved compatibility across brands, faster data transfer speeds up to 40 Gbps, and more reliable power delivery with overvoltage protection. Today's docking stations come in various forms, many featuring USB 4 or Thunderbolt 4 for future proofing. These modern designs include redundant power circuits and better protection against overloads, reducing the failure rates seen in older models. Looking ahead, future trends point toward wireless docking solutions using Bluetooth 5.3 and similar technologies. These could potentially phase out traditional wired USB docks by 2030. Additionally, emerging AI-powered diagnostics will automate troubleshooting, while environmental trends encourage repairing rather than replacing devices. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the USB ports still aren't working, the docking station may have a hardware problem, such as corroded ports or a faulty controller chip. Contact HP support or a qualified technician for repair options. HP had a 2025 recall program for affected units, offering free replacements for about 5% of models. Check if your model is eligible.